This is Your Love Defends Me in the key of A. This is just a simple way to chord along to this song, so I hope you love it and enjoy it. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, you will find the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. Okay, so let's go through the chords. In the key of A, we have F sharp minor, A, D, and E. So let's go through those 4 chords. So if you find, let's start with the F sharp minor. This black note, white note, black note. Okay, so it plays kind of this upside down triangle. That's the easiest way to play that chord. Don't overwhelm yourself by noticing that there's 2 black notes. So I play fingers 1, 2, 4. You could play 1, 3, 5 if you want, whatever works. Sometimes I use 1, 2, 5. Kind of just whatever feels good for your hand. So you're playing this upside down triangle, right? F sharp minor is F sharp, A, C sharp. Okay, that's the most complex chord. Okay, all right. So we have F sharp minor. Now let's play A. And if you look for the group of 3 black notes, it's just going to be tucked between there. Okay, A, C sharp, E. This is a triangle, just kind of like a regular triangle. Okay. And then if we move up to the D position, hold that shape in your hand. That helps simplify it as well. So D, F sharp, A is a D triangle shape again, right? Okay, move that shape in your hand up 1 note and you're in the E position. E, G sharp, B. Okay, so we have the upside down triangle review of F sharp minor, then regular triangle A. Freeze that shape in your hand, move up to the D position, A, B, C, D, D, F sharp, A, and then freeze that hand and move up 1 set of notes and you're in the E position. Okay, E, G sharp, B. All right, so that is, oh, sorry. We have a B minor, okay? So B minor is B, D, F sharp, and I kind of use different fingers for that one as well. Okay, and it makes like this curve shape. So the key of A is more of a tricky key to play in, but it's so beautiful. So don't skip it. Walk through it step by step with me. You can do it. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at where the left hand is going to land. We're just going to play single notes since the right hand is just going to be playing those beautiful chords. So let's put pinky on G, line up your 5 fingers, and don't really move this hand the whole song. So when we're going to play an F sharp minor in our right hand, let's just play this black note F sharp, okay? And I just reached my pinky up there. And you can find a position that like feels better for you if this hand, the left hand, is a little more complex for you to find where you want to play, you know? Okay, and then A to A in the bass. And then we're going to play that B minor to B in the bass. D to D in the bass. E, you're just going to open your thumb up 1 note here. See how I didn't move my left hand? I just swooped open, played that E single note with my E triangle chord in my right hand. All right, so the rhythm that we're going to do to bring the 2 hands together is 4/4 time signature, and it's a ratio I call 1-to-2 ratio, and it looks like this. We're going to start out the D just so you can see this. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Okay, if we move to the E position, play that same rhythm. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. You could practice that on any of those chords, okay? I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can hear how it sounds when we add in the vocals, and then I'll break it up again for you, okay? It starts out with that F sharp minor. You are my joy. You are my song. You are the well, the one I'm drawing from. You are my refuge, my whole life long. Oh, where else would I go? Okay. I also want to say that if bringing 2 hands together is too complex for you, since this is a little bit harder than the ones I typically teach, which you can totally do it, we can walk it through it. Make sure to just do the right hand by itself and kind of walk through, you know, the key of A has kind of some wonky black chords, black notes in there. So just walk through those chords by itself. Just getting your hand used to what finger numbers you're going to play, you know, the new chords that you might not have played before, and so on. Okay. There's also a little bit of repetition in this song. So just kind of notice some of the repetition that goes along F sharp minor, A, D, A. I mean, you're going to notice some repetition in there, but not a ton. I mean, you could do it. Sorry. This one's just really complex, actually. It's like I'm helping you spread your wings and fly, but you can do it. Okay. All right. So the chorus, let's just go back to the verse 1. Okay. So we're starting with that F sharp minor where we're swooping down and playing this pinky note. You are my A minor. Sorry, A. D. You are my A. Song. Back to that F sharp minor. You are the A. Well. Okay, E. Swoop that left hand open. The one I'm drawing from F sharp minor. You are my A. Refuge. E. Swoop open. My whole life. F sharp minor. Long. B minor here. Where else, A, would I go? D. Okay, let's go to the chorus. Surely my A chord. God is the strength of my, open up for the E, soul. Your love, F sharp minor, defends me. Your love, D chord, defends me. And when I, A, feel like I'm all alone, your love, D, F chord, F sharp minor, defends me. Your love, D chord, defends me. Okay. Verse 2 is the same as verse 1, so there's nothing new there. Let's take a look at that bridge. Starting out with the A chord. We sing hallelujah. E chord. Hallelujah. F sharp minor. You're my portion. D. My salvation. And then you can bridge back into that. You can loop back into the bridge, I should say, or you can go kind of to the ending, or you can loop back into the chorus. I mean, there's a lot of fun to kind of just be a little flexible, go from verse to chorus to bridge, going back and forth a little bit. And then your ending, it's just that we sing Alleluia, you're my portion, my salvation, and it kind of loops through that little bridge, essentially. All right. Go back to the beginning if you need a little help. Just take it step at a time. Do right hand only, maybe just left hand only, and then bring the two hands together. You can do it. I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can play along with me. Here we go. You are my joy. You are my song. You are the well, the one I'm drawing from. You are my refuge, my whole life long. Where else would I go? Surely my God is the strength of my soul. Your love defends me. Your